Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Webull and eTrade, two popular investment platforms. So Webull is a commission-free trading app that offers advanced charting tools and a focus on stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, catering to active traders who want a tech-driven experience. While eTrade is a well-established brokerage offering a broad range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and retirement accounts with comprehensive research tools and robust customer support. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Webull and eTrade, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about stock trading, Webull have commission pre-trading on stocks and ETFs. Same thing with eTrade. When it comes to option trading, so Webull, they have it, yes, commission free, while eTrade also they have it, but they require $0.65 per contract and it is reduced with volume. And when it comes to futures trading, Webull have no futures trading. eTrade, on the other hand, yes, they have it and they offer futures trading, which is good. For the crypto trading, Webull, yes, as I said earlier, they support crypto trading, while eTrade, they do not and does not support direct crypto trading. When it comes to margin trading, Webull, yes, with competitive rates. Same thing with eTrade with tiered margin rates. When it comes to research and analysis, Webull have basic research tools focused on charts, while eTrade they have advanced tools including screeners, reports, and analysis. When it comes to educational resources, Webull have limited resources. When it comes to when it comes to eTrade, they have extensive library for of educational resources. For retirement accounts or IRAs, so Webull they offers IRAs, same thing with eTrade, with a wide range of IRA. Lastly, for platform availability, Webull they have mobile and desktops. They are available on mobile and desktop, while eTrade they are available on website, mobile and desktops, and they have also dedicated platforms for options and futures. So that's it for the simple features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. When it comes to stock trades, so Webull are commission free, same thing with eTrade. For options fees, so Webull the fees are free, no commission, while eTrade, as I said earlier, they require $0.65 per contract, and they also have discounts for high volume. For crypto trading fees, Webull they have spread-based pricing, no direct commission. So eTrade they don't have any crypto trading features. When it comes to margin interest rate, so Webull starts at 9.49%, which is tiered. When it comes to eTrade, they start at 13.7% tiered. Lastly, for futures trading, Webull doesn't have any futures trading feature, while eTrade they requires $1.5 per contract when it comes to futures fee. So that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. When it comes to trading platform, Webull is very fast, modern, and mobile first, while eTrade they are robust and advanced desktop and mobile options. When it comes to charting tools, Webull they have advanced charting but not as in depth, while eTrade they are more comprehensive charting with customization. For order execution speed, so Webull is very fast and they have real-time codes and orders, while eTrade they are also excellent execution speed for high volume traders. And for lastly, for account integration, Webull is primarily focused on trading accounts, while eTrade they have wide range of account types, including retirement. So yes, that's it for the simple performance comparison. Now let's go to customer and support. When it comes to support channels, Webull have email and in-app support, but no live chat support. When it comes to eTrade, they have 24/7 phone support, email, and live chat. support. For response time, so Webull is very moderate when it comes to this, often responding within 48 hours. While eTrade is very fast, so they respond within hours for most queries. For educational resources, Webull is limited, while eTrade is they have extensive library and educational webinars. Lastly, for community features, so Webull they offer social feed for trader interaction, while eTrade they have no social features but they have a strong customer support. And yes, that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. Let's start by discussing Webull pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Webull is a commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrency, appealing to active traders. They are a slick, mobile-first platform designed for beginner and intermediate traders looking for ease of use. They have advanced charting tool for technical traders, offering strong visualization on mobile and desktop. And lastly, they have margin trading with relatively competitive interest rates for more advanced traders. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Webull have limited educational resources and less depth in financial research, which may not satisfy more serious investors. They have no futures trading options, making it less versatile for those interested in broadened array of asset classes. Their customer support lacks live chat and can be slower in response compared to other platforms. Lastly, they are primarily focused on trading with fewer retirement or long-term investment tools. That's it for the Webbull pros and cons. And for the eTrade pros and cons, when it comes to pros, eTrade offers a wide range of asset classes, including futures trading, making it suitable for more experienced traders. They have comprehensive research tool, screeners, and educational resources cater to both beginners and advanced trader. They have a strong customer support with 24/7 availability with various support channels, ensuring reliable help when needed. And lastly, they have multiple platform options for different trader levels, from basic to advanced, including dedicated options and future platforms. And when it comes to cons, e-trade option trading fees are higher compared to Webull, though the discounts are available for high volume traders. Their crypto trading is not supported, which may be disadvantage for traders interested in digital assets. They have more complex user interface, which may be overwhelming for traders seeking simplicity. And lastly, their margin rates are higher compared to Webull, making it less attractive for traders relying on leverage. So that's it for the e-trade pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose Webull. So Webull is referable for someone who is an active trader seeking commission-free trading in stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Someone who prefers a mobile-first, user-friendly platform with simple intuitive navigation. Someone who focuses primarily on short-term trades rather than long-term retirement or investment accounts. And lastly, someone who wants access to basic margin trading with competitive interest rates for more leverage in their trades. So if you have all of these qualities, Webull is a choice for you. And for the people who should choose eTrade, so eTrade is referable for someone who wants access to wide variety of asset classes, including futures and extensive retirement account options. Someone who seeks robust research, educational tools, and financial insights for a well-rounded trading experience. Someone who prefers a more feature-rich trading platform with multiple tiers suited to different levels of trader expertise. And lastly, someone who values strong customer support with various channels, including live chat and 24/7 phone support. If you have all of these qualities, eTrade is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, Webull and eTrade both bring unique offerings to the table. Webull shines for active traders who value commission-free trades and a mobile-first interface, especially for those dabbling in cryptocurrency. Meanwhile, eTrade is the go-to for investors looking for a broader range of assets, in-depth research tools, and a platform that caters to both beginners and seasoned traders. Ultimately, your choice depends on the level of sophistication you need and the types of assets you want to trade. So get started today and take your trading journey to the next level. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.